As an email affiliate or digital marketer, you already understand the importance and the power of being able to generate ad traffic. So let's talk about Start Page Login Ads. Advertising, the Start Page Advertising Rolodex, and how to use Login Start Page Ads to generate ad traffic for your offers. A Login Start Page ad is a promotional advertisement that displays on a particular site or a network of sites' homepage or pages. As visitors, users, and members of those sites are logging into them, which create instant visibility and engagement for your offers. The new Start Page Rolodex is a variety of sites collectively visited by tens of thousands of digital entrepreneurs from all over the world. Individuals just like yourself, looking to spread the word about their own products and services, are posting and viewing these pages around the clock. And now the Rolodex can double as your lead generation funnel system, making it possible for you to literally greet them at the front door, preferably with offers and services that complement their existing ventures. And because we understand your reluctance to drop your name and email in yet another page full of undeliverable promises, we're sending you right to the source. Visit instantleadandcashsystem.com. Vet and unlock your Start Page Login Ads Rolodex today.